Have you ever wondered about the diverse wildlife in Germany? This nation, known for its rich history and cultural heritage, is also a sanctuary for an array of captivating creatures. From the depths of its lush, verdant forests to the serene expanses of its meadows, Germany teems with life in all its wild, untamed glory. This video will uncover the hidden treasures of Germany's wildlife, journeying through a variety of habitats to showcase the unique species that call them home. We'll encounter the graceful roe deer, the vibrant kingfisher, the diligent bees and butterflies, the majestic red kite, and the industrious wild boar. Each creature, in its own way, contributes to the rich tapestry of life that thrives in every corner of this country. From dense woodlands to expansive meadows, this country is a haven for a variety of fascinating species. Our first spotlight is on the roe deer, a common sight in German woodlands. This elegant creature is as much a part of the German forest as the towering beech trees and the moss-covered stones. The roe deer is a small yet agile species, typically characterized by its reddish and gray-brown fur, white rump patch, and short, erect antlers. The roe deer is a crepuscular animal, meaning it is most active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. During these times, they emerge from the shelter of the forest to feed on grasses, herbs, leaves, and shoots. Their diet changes with the seasons, and in the winter they will often nibble on twigs and lichen. The roe deer is not just a beautiful sight to behold but plays a key role in the ecosystem. As a herbivore, it helps to control the growth of vegetation, and in turn provides a source of food for larger predators, maintaining a balanced and healthy ecosystem. Roe deer are quite territorial, with males often having fierce battles during the mating season to secure their territory and the right to mate with the females. The females, or does, usually give birth to 1 or 2 fawns each year, often in the safety of dense woodland undergrowth. The fawns, with their dappled coats, are a delightful sight, symbolizing new life and the ongoing cycle of the forest. Despite their delicate appearance, roe deer are hardy animals, capable of surviving Germany's cold winters. They are also excellent swimmers and fast runners, reaching speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour when threatened. The roe deer's presence is a testament to the health and vitality of Germany's woodlands. Their survival and proliferation are indicators of the forest's overall well-being. So the next time you find yourself in a German woodland, take a moment to appreciate these enchanting beings. With a little patience and a keen eye, you might just catch a glimpse of them in their natural habitat. Keep your eyes peeled for these enchanting beings as they navigate their woodland homes. Now let's shift our focus to the vibrant waterways. There's a captivating presence that adorns these lively scenes, the kingfisher. This bird, with its dazzling coat of blue and orange, is an embodiment of the color and life that thrives in the aquatic realms of Germany. The kingfisher's striking hue is not its only noteworthy characteristic. This bird is a master fisherman. With an eye for precision and an unparalleled speed, the kingfisher dives into the water, emerging with a catch in its beak. The scene is a testament to the bird's skill and dexterity, a spectacle that never ceases to amaze. But the kingfisher doesn't merely exist for our admiration. It plays a significant role in the ecosystem. By hunting small fish and insects, the kingfisher helps maintain a balance in the food chain. It's nature's way of ensuring that no single species dominates the waterways, a delicate equilibrium that keeps the ecosystem thriving. Moreover, the presence of kingfishers is often an indicator of a healthy aquatic environment. They're sensitive to water pollution, and their survival depends on clean, clear water where they can spot their prey. So, when you see a kingfisher, it's not just a delightful sight, it's also a sign that the river is in good health. And let's not forget the kingfisher's role as a seed disperser. By consuming small fruits and excreting the seeds, kingfishers contribute to the propagation of various plant species along the waterways. It's a role that often goes unnoticed, but it's crucial for the survival and spread of these plants. The kingfisher, in all its vibrant glory, is more than just a beautiful bird. It's a vital part of the ecosystem, a skilled fisherman, and a carrier of life. This little bird is a jewel along the water's edge, a testament to the rich biodiversity that thrives in Germany's aquatic ecosystems. Ah, the meadows of Germany, a buzzing symphony of life. This is where the humble bees and elegant butterflies take center stage. These tiny yet mighty creatures are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem, playing a vital role in pollination. They flit from flower to flower, collecting nectar and, in the process, transferring pollen grains. This seemingly simple act is, in fact, a vital step in the reproduction of many of the plants that make up the world's food supply. In these lush meadows, we find a vast array of bee species, from the common honeybee to the solitary mining bee. Each bee, with its unique behaviors and preferences, contributes to the diversity and health of this ecosystem. They're not just honey producers, but critical connectors in the web of life. And then, there are the butterflies, those delicate winged wonders that add a splash of color to the meadows. With their long, tube-like tongues, they sip nectar from deep within flowers, and in doing so, they too carry pollen from bloom to bloom. From the vibrant peacock butterfly to the subtle ringlet, each species is a testament to nature's artistry and complexity. But these meadows are not just about bees and butterflies. They teem with life, from the flowers that bloom in a riot of colors to the grasshoppers that leap among the grass blades. Each creature, each plant has a role to play, contributing to a harmonious ecosystem that thrives on interdependence and cooperation. As we observe this lively scene, we are reminded of how every organism, no matter how small, has a significant role in the grand scheme of things. It's a harmonious dance of colors and movement, reminding us of the delicate balance in nature. And in this dance, bees and butterflies are not just participants, but choreographers, shaping the landscape and ensuring the continuation of many of our favorite foods and flowers. It's a harmonious dance of colors and movement, reminding us of the delicate balance in nature. Look up to the skies, and you might witness the majestic red kite in flight. These awe-inspiring birds, with their deep russet plumage and angular wings, cut a distinctive figure against the backdrop of the German sky. As they soar effortlessly above the landscape, their 7-foot wingspan is a remarkable spectacle to behold. The red kite is more than just a beautiful sight, though. It plays a vital role in the ecosystem. As a bird of prey, it helps to maintain the balance of nature by controlling populations of smaller creatures. With a diet primarily consisting of rodents and carrion, red kites are actually nature's cleanup crew, removing the remains of dead animals from the environment. But the red kite is not just a hunter and a scavenger. It's also a skilled acrobat. With its long, forked tail acting like a rudder, the red kite can perform impressive aerial maneuvers. It's a sight that once seen is hard to forget. These magnificent birds prefer open landscapes for their hunting grounds. They need large, uninterrupted spaces where they can ride the thermals and scan the ground for their next meal. That's why Germany's expansive meadows and nature reserves make the perfect home for them. So, whether you're in the heart of a bustling city or the tranquil countryside, remember to cast your gaze upwards. You never know when you might spot a red kite, gracing the sky with its presence. Germany's open landscapes, including its nature reserves, offer the perfect haven for these impressive birds of prey. Venture into the heart of the German forests, and you might encounter the industrious wild boar. These robust creatures, with their coarse, bristly coats and sharp tusks, are a common sight in the dense undergrowth. Known for their remarkable adaptability, wild boars can thrive in a variety of environments, from marshy wetlands to lush green forests. Wild boars are social animals, often found in groups known as sounders, consisting primarily of females and their young. These groups are led by a dominant sow, a testament to the matriarchal nature of their society. One of the most fascinating aspects of wild boars is their foraging behavior. Equipped with a keen sense of smell, they can sniff out food buried deep within the forest floor. From roots and bulbs to small invertebrates, they leave no stone unturned in their relentless search for sustenance. These boars play a significant role in the ecosystem. By rooting around and churning the soil, they help in nutrient cycling, promoting the growth of diverse plant species. Additionally, they serve as a valuable food source for predators, thereby contributing to the delicate balance of the food chain. Wild boars, though often overlooked, are a symbol of the wilderness that thrives within Germany's forests. Their presence speaks volumes about the rich biodiversity that the country harbors. A glimpse of a wild boar family adds a touch of wilderness to the German countryside. As the sun sets on our wildlife adventure in Germany, it's clear that this country is not only rich in culture, but also teeming with diverse and captivating creatures. From the nimble roe deer navigating the dense woodlands to the vibrant kingfisher that graces the waterways and the industrious wild boar foraging in the heart of the forest, each creature adds a unique brushstroke to Germany's wildlife canvas. The meadows of Germany are a buzzing symphony of life, thanks to the bees and butterflies that play a crucial role in pollination. The skies are graced by the majestic red kite, a symbol of freedom and grace. These creatures, each in their unique ways, contribute to the rich biodiversity that thrives in this country. Whether you're exploring the woodlands, meadows, or riversides, there's always a surprise waiting in the heart of Germany's wildlife.